Let's start off with jersey number 4, Ariane Ilustre. At number 5, Angeli Pauline Araneta. Wearing jersey number 7, Monica Marie Ortiz. At number 8, Catherine Bersola. Wearing jersey number 15, Jewel Hannah Lai. And their team captain with jersey number 10, Nicole Ann Tiamzon. Libero number 12, Princess Geiser. Head coach, Jerry Yee. Calling on our defending champions, our Lady Rising Suns from Cagayan Valley. Let's start off with jersey number 1, Giselle C. At number 4, Maria Paulina Soriano. Wearing jersey number 5, Rosemary Vargas. At number 8, Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Wearing jersey number 9, Janine Marciano. And at number 11, Faye Janelle Guevara. Libero number 13, Sheila Marie Pineda. Head coach, Mr. Nestor Pamilar.
At sama-sama po tayong magdiwang ng isang araw na naman ng volleyball. Dito po sa San Juan Arena. Faye Guevara getting the first point for Cagayan Valley. Faye Guevara is starting in place of Gweneth Eulalio na kasalukuyan ngayon nasa Philippine Arena. At nais natin banggitin at batiin ang ating mga kababayan at mga kapatid sa Iglesia ni Cristo on their centennial celebration. Mabuhay kayo.
Mabuhay kayo lahat.
Kasama nyo dyan si Gweneth Eulalio ngayon sa Philippine Arena sa Bukawi. Samantala, bawi kagad. Etong si Nicole Tiamzon, 1-all. At nasabi natin kanina, no, very important itong game na ito. This is the game sa UP. This is the game.
Yes, it will say the outcome of the tournament of this conference.
Pero kailangan nila na tulong. So hindi lang itong UP must win this game, must win against PNP. Faye Guevara, ang daming fans. Must win this game and must win against PNP and hope that itong kupunan ng Ateneo or NU stays at 2 wins para magkaroon sila ng playoff. Ito ngayon si Pao Soriano setting up Aiza Maizo, kinapos ang kanyang tira. 4 touches against Cagayan Valley, 2-all. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Alam mo kaya nakausap ko tong si Coach Ness at saka sabi nga niya sa akin kanina, hindi talaga sila magte-take easy today because alam nila nothing to lose na to UP at may pag-asa pa rin.
May pag-asa.
So they won't take this lightly, definitely.
From Aiza Maizo sa panahong tagulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made.
Alam mo, nakakatawa din kasi ang dami talagang supporters nitong Cagayan.
Oo. Yung mga iba nga po, biyahe pa galing Cagayan mismo para pumunta rito on a game day. So ilang oras ang biyahe yan? Nasa itong si KB8 or Cathy Bersola scores. Ilang oras ba ang biyahe? Galing sa Alcala papunta rito. May 9 ba yan? 10 hours? Mga ganun. Yung mga iba, umaga-umaga umalis para lang mapanood yung laro nitong Lady Rising Suns. And that's great support. Janine Marciano.
Thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you sa maraming salamat.
Janine Marciano is able to score. Adasino yata mag-serve dito sa Cagayan Valley. May hiyawan. Ito, Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's Feeling. Aiza Maizo Pontillas. Here's Jewel Lai.
That's the connection.
Alam mo si Bersola does not really jump that high pero yung timing niya ibang klase. But Bersola, at matapos natin puri-purihin, magkakaroon na service error.
Sabi ka na naman
Parang hindi lang tayo nagsama no isang araw eh. Ito na naman.
Ikaw na naman.
So may na-interview ka na lang mo kung may dengue siya.
Ano sound? Uy, assignment mo yan Ito talaga. Ayan na.
UP again. Ito UP. Fighting fire with fire dito sa ating first set Kasi sabi nga ni Coach Jerry gagamit daw siya ng more than 7 players kasi alam niya mas may edad na yung kalaban. Hopefully mapagod daw. Here's Yan Ilustre. Good serve. Habol si Giselle C. Free ball galing kay Bang Pineda. Geiser. Jewel Lai. Running attack galing dito kay Araneta. Pasok yan.
Araneta gets a cross-court hit.
6-5 lamang po ang UP. Yan Ilustre once again. Here's Giselle C. sending it to Janine Marciano off the hands of the defense. At score na naman yan para dito sa Cagayan Valley.
Marciano also doing a great job for Cagayan Valley.
Marciano in her first year with Cagayan Valley after playing last year with PNP. Marciano on the serve. Ilustre ng amote sa reception. At lamang na po ang Cagayan Valley. Grabe, fans ng Cagayan Valley dito.
Sabi ko sa'yo
Oo. May dala pa silang banner.
Ano talaga, very, tawag dito, engaging.
Oh, exactly. Pero alam mo naman na sila yung defending champion. So talagang they need to step it up dito. Of course, nag-champion sila dahil sa kanilang dalawang tie reinforcement. Now no such thing.
I like that open hit.
Sabi ni Pineda, buti hindi ko naranasan yan nung nasa Adamson pa ako. Vargas.
Si Bang, ganun siya. Di ba? Maganda rin ang wrist action.
KB8, tinawid. Here's Giselle C. Quick set to Faye Guevara. Denied by Araneta. One more time for Guevara. Hinukay naman yon nito si Ilustre. And there is Chamson. C. Inangat for Vargas. At Vargas, nahanap ang puwang between Geyser and Ilustre. Di kita po itong ating laban sa first set. Cagayan Valley up by 1.
Lost in their last game against Ateneo. The UP are coming into D with very high spirits. According to Coach Jerry, this is a realization that the team can do it and they just need to work hard and have a fighting spirit. For this game, the team need not be intimidated by the veterans they are facing today. Ang importante, maglaro sila ng tama at ang may puso. Meanwhile, for the Lady Rising Suns, they're not taking UP lightly as well. After the good performance they are showing for their past few games, and it is clear that they have the advantage for this particular game because they're more experienced players. But they should not be too confident against UP, who will definitely work hard to be a step closer to their chances for the next round. Mosi and Noel?
Well, yung mangyayari nga dito sa UP, they have to realize wala si Wenet Eulalio sa lineup ng Cagayan Valley. And they have to exploit this. So, ayan, si Faye Guevara, hindi naman natin masasabi mahina si Faye Guevara,
Yes.
no? Pero yung the Faye Guevara is a replacement quicker for now. Sinong pampapalit dyan mamaya? Baka mamaya si Lucette Dawis bigla mag-quicker din, di ba? So, technically, itong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley is at its most vulnerable right now. Hindi lang halata doon sa tira ni Vargas.
So excited, but Vargas swiping that and making it look so easy, getting that point.
Oh, any other team na kalaban itong Cagayan Valley, kakabahan sila na wala si Wenet Eulalio. Pero ngayon, kailangan din doble effort nila against UP. Ang sisipag nitong mga batang to, Coach Jerry.
Kasi ang sinasabi mo, yung mga nawala kasi yung threat
Yun.
na nandyan si Wenet. Dahil pag nandyan si Wenet, more often than not, makakuha talaga ng quick hit.
Oh, look at that, however. Pau Soriano smothering Candy Bersola. Here's Chamson finding the corner. So Nicole Chamson, dumidikit pa rin pong UP ngayon sa panahon ng tagulan. Iwasan ng dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Chamson now serving. Marciano. Giselle C. Back set. Ay sa Maiso. Di makagalaw si Monica Ortiz.
Yung cross-court hit off the block actually. At tama ka ron. Napako si Ortiz dun sa
Oo.
depensa.
Yun yung tipong alam mo na kung saan ka pupunta pero ayaw mag-expand ng paa mo.
Garfield lang the mind was willing but the flesh is weak.
Si Garfield.
Diba?
Paano nasama na naman yan dito?
Katabi kita naisip ko si Garfield.
Pusi ka. Hoy, hindi ako ganun katakaw.
Wait.
Ay, buksan na natin to. 12-10. And that service error, 2-point lead para dito sa Cagayan Valley. Monica Ortiz on the serve, another good one. Giselle C, combination, Marciano. Hoy, Pia
Way up
Geyser.
in the air but Pia Geyser just taking it.
Oh, second ball yata yun. Second ball ba yun o third ball na?
Second ball ay sa Maizo, just nailing that one in.
And Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's feeling. Ilalabang ko sa kanya si Jobeling Gonzaga.
Pero alam mo, ang maganda doon kasi, ano yun magandang pang-alis ng yung balikan. Sanay ka na panay 3 sets, yung ganon.
And here's Ilustre, snuffed out by Pau.
Pao Soriano really reading the spikers of UP so well.
Now 15-10. Ako, ito na yung mga tumatakbo mga fans sa likuran ng Cagayan Valley. Ang dami nila.
Nalala ko pa isa din, nakasalamin na yun.
Oo.
Parang hindi mahawak ng banner ni Keeper.
Kiefer lang ba o yung may M? Hop, tulak.
Bala ko ano, Will?
Tinatanong ko lang naman, di ba? Hop,
Yan.
nice dig. Here's Pau
Oh,
Soriano.
And Pao Soriano, at this point, is really unstoppable both in offense and defense, partner.
Nangiiwan na Cagayan Valley. Lamang na po sila. Kasama po si Mosi Ravena at si Miss Cavite. Ivy Remulla. Bakit? Yung original Miss Cavite, si Andre Remulla Kanda naging Mrs. Taig.
Akala ko Mrs. Cavite.
Lumipat eh. Kung taga Cavite pa sana, okay eh. Sa Taguig lumipat. Upgrade ba ang tawag doon? 17-10. More offense coming here from Cagayan Valley. Here is the dig. Ay Pineda, here's Marciano. Off the block.
Off the block.
Samson, di nasangga yung serve doon ni Chisaet.
Is
Napako na sa
received.
10 yung UP. Earlier, it was 12-10. The last time UP scored, they made it 12-10.
Nabantayan ng maigi yung net, partner. Yung blocking ng Cagayan really working for them. Chisay right into the net.
Naregaluhan ni Chisaet ang UP ng 1 puntos. And now, KB8. Parang ano, Kobe Bryant.
Ganda naman. Nun
Pati
biglang
serve niya,
bumagsak.
no? Parang Kobe Bryant yung serve niya. KB8.
Talagang parang Kobe Bryant yung serve sa volleyball.
Ay, kung magsaserve si Kobe Bryant, ganyan din itsura. Diba? If Kobe Bryant plays volleyball, malamang.
Jump serve yun.
Jump serve. Here is the combination for Marciano. Alam mo, napakataas ng percentage ng atake ng Cagayan Valley, ha? Benito. Here's Magtalas, sending it up to Chamson. Marciano wala sa pwesto. Estraniero pumasok for the first time at the libero spot for UP.
Good dig there by Rose Vargas.
Here's Ilustre, diretso sa net.
Naiilang na sila kasi nga nag-work well yung blocking ng Cagayan.
Gaya-gaya naman sa...
Kakaroon na ng ilang konti mga spikers.
Gumaya na sa ploy din ito si Coach Jerry, sending in Alia Ong, replacing yan Ilustre. Ganun pa rin hugis ng katawan.
Hanggang 3 isaw lang kasi ang budget a week.
Maraming nagbebenta ng isaw ng service
di ba
ace.
pinakamasarap talaga yung mga barbecue?
Here's Chamson. Chisaet, Angge Tabakero. Tabakero binuhay. Chisaet ngayon, going back to the captain. Nice block there by Araneta. One more time around for Angge.
You like the coverage of Cagayan. There you go.
Pasabog ang nangyari dito. Alam mo kung sino yung forma na nakita ko sa kanya doon sa tirang yung palang? A very, very young Pati Orendain. Naalala mo? Yung ganong klaseng power, ganong
Dahil
klaseng wind up.
nakapusod din siya?
Hindi, ganyan na
Okay.
ganyan yung style talaga. Eto, try natin naman sa kabila. Hulog din. Karil Sandoval.
Yan, so medyo na nag-work ngayon yung ginawa ni Coach Jerry. Bahala kayo.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Quick set. Faye Guevara.
Faye Guevara imposing yung kanyang quick hit na yun.
Kailangan nga nila ng extra pa na quicker dyan. Dati Sandra De Los Santos, meron pa sila eh.
Correct.
Pero nung nawala si Sandra, bigla sila nagkaroon ng deficiency sa middle hitter position. Cheeside gives up a free ball. Magtalas now on the combination play. Nakabang si Guevara. Hinulog naman ni Sandoval.
Isa pa yun.
Here's Cheeside. Masyado malapit yan. Tinulak na lamang ni Tabakero at well, you can't beat experience.
That's right. Sabi ko na sana season player na tong si Ange Tabakero. Hindi na siya nararattle sa mga ganyang klaseng overset, diba?
Ginagawa niya yan against
She knew
players.
exactly what she was going to do.
Well, she did that against players from Australia, from Iran. Unang biyahe ng Power Pinay sa Cheeside. Nakadali ng block point. 25-15. So, magandang panimula para sa UP.